Hi, Sarda here with some new items. We have new arrivals that are going to be releasing next week, September 2nd at noon Pacific. These are going to be on our website at sarda.com under new arrivals, and as always, they will be 45% off as the new arrivals are. It is our Linked in Unity interchangeable collection. We're going to have necklaces and bracelets. This is different than the previous one. The one we currently have is in chain link. The new one is in the Watermark motif. So if you're looking to pick up, you didn't get them last time, you want to pick up a new interchangeable collection, we have these available in Watermark. The necklace comes in all silver, and it is 2 lengths. We have an 18-inch length with a 2-inch extender, or a 20-inch with a 2-inch extender. And it comes like that in all silver, and then you purchase the middle components and you can switch them out. You take the silver one off, and then you can put these different components on in these beautiful stones and make different necklaces out of it. So we are going to have these big blue Odyssey Universe Mystic Quartz as one option. We're gonna have the Sweetheart Kingman Turquoise, and we're gonna have a Hayward's Muse Mystic Quartz for the necklaces. That's the interchangeable pieces that you can purchase for just the middle section on the necklace. You can wear it as a stone necklace like we've shown up above, or you can wear it just as an all silver necklace as well. And then we have some bracelets. The bracelet options you can wear as an all silver, and Annika has that on her wrist as well here in all silver, so you can see what that looks like. If you're going to wear it as an all silver bracelet, it's going to fit, the smallest will fit a 5 to a 6-inch wrist. The medium size will fit a 525 to a 625, and then we have the larger size fitting a 6 to 7-inch wrist. That's when you wear it as an all silver. But once you put that middle component piece in, of course it extends the length of the bracelet, and then it will change the fit. So we're going to have that in the Odyssey Universe Mystic Quartz. That matches back to that necklace. With the middle component will fit a 6 to an 8.25-inch wrist. We have it in Ethiopian opal, a beautiful opal with some amazing color play. That will fit a 625 to an 8.25-inch wrist. And then we have a rainbow moonstone option fitting a 5.75 to an 8.25-inch wrist. And then of course we have the all silver option as well, but Annika's gonna kind of show you how beautiful that Odyssey Mystic Quartz is. And these are all gonna be released Tuesday, September 2nd at 12 p.m. Pacific, sarda.com under new arrivals. Check them out.